Now you grew up here.
I grew up
in
in
these
Bowling
parts.
Green.
Yeah, so this is really special to you, and you were kind of in on putting this all together, right? What
Yes.
surprised you the most?
How people are willing to give once they come in and see what we've done, they're willing to contribute.
Help us understand what this is about. What are we hoping when we come here someone will walk away with?
History, period. Things that people did in Bowling Green that we had no idea. We have a huge military exhibit. We had no idea that there were that many African Americans that served in the military.
Especially African American women.
Women too.
I am shocked
yes.
to see the amount of
and
that. Wow.
Held big positions, big titles. Learning everything about Black history, about schools, about churches. Just, it's amazing to see little kids come in and they'll say, oh, I know that person, I've seen that person. And then we'll tell them what they did. And it's just amazing to see the reaction. We have these exhibits that are up now, but we have so much more to where we can change exhibits at any time. So,
you know, we're living in such a crazy time. And I wonder, does this kind of museum mean more now at a time like this when the world is so ugly at times?
I think it's a good place to come, like I said, with the youth especially. We're hoping that we can get teachers to start bringing their classes. We have a lot of people like the Learning Center, Housing Authority, in the summertime brings their students. Even older people, the Over 50s Academy comes here. They started that 2 years ago and they'll be here again in March. So it's just exciting. People have no idea what we have, so it's exciting.
So what would you want people to know about the African American Museum on the WKU campus?
We want them to know that it's here. We want them to know that they can come and see what we have, and then they can learn about what we have. So it's a learning experience, a teaching experience. We just want them to come and see what we've got, and I think they'll be happy once they see.
You can't see the twinkle in her eye, but you have a twinkle in your eye when you talk about that, because education is such a big part of your life.
Yes.
It definitely is.
Yes.
Wathetta Buford, thank you so much for letting us come here to the African American Museum on WKU's campus. This is Coffee Near Me. And you know, you can keep the conversation going, and maybe you're watching and maybe you have some archival documents that you'd like to donate. So here's the big one, all right? We always ask, if you had the opportunity, who would you like to sit down and have a cup of coffee with? And living or dead, and don't think too long.
My mother.
Oh.